you. Opal mo.
What if we set to live by fate? Only love every single day, or maybe just for once. Money ain't gonna save us now, there's so much more, so just look around. Break the walls inside, burning bridges down, and reach every single hand, 'cause everything ain't right. Grow as we go, and follow the sun. Be the one who shares the love to everyone soon. We'll be gone, me and you. We live every day, but we only die once.
Kompleto na yung order namin. Valenciana Sobay Spicy. Kay Miguel, ano ba to? Original Katsu. Yung kay Gabi, Chicken Katsu. Yung sa akin, Spicy Chukimen. Dipping noodles to. Tara. Kainin na natin. First time kong kakainin tong Chukimen na to. Chukimen Dipping noodles. Chukimen. Para iba eh, no? Ididip lang ba to? Hmm? Ganyan. Magtitinidor nga ako.
Yeah. That's what.
Kuha na noodles. Deep. Ang sarap, no? First time ko nakatikman to, ah. Kakaiba yung lasa. Sarap. Ano ba yun sa'yo? Sobay spicy. Mukhang masarap, ah. Tikman mo, ah, kung anong mga ingredients nito. Salted egg, meron. Kakaiba yung dipping sauce nila, eh. Sobrang thick ng sauce na. Itinidor na lang ako para mabilis.
Please, no!
Yung noodles nila firm na firm, masarap nguyain. Ito nga yung Sienna spicy soba.
Let me buy us something.
Not here. You eat that one first.
Masarap tong soba, spicy soba, masarap.
Maybe Mama will buy us some Christmas.
Tikman natin kay Gabi.
Now you try mine.
Okay, okay. It's good. Okay, Miguel, original katsu. Akin na lang tong seaweed Miguel, ha?
Because I cannot drink
Original katsu. Tuma ko muna yung noodles. Masarap yung original. Miguel, ano masasabi mo sa kinain mo? Ha?
Masarap.
Masarap? Out of 10. Rate mo?
10.
10?
No, 9.5.
9.5 pa. May 0.5 pa, ah. Yung kay Miguel, yung original
Original katsu.
katsu.
Tapos
Ayun, masarap. Chicken katsu, masarap
With rice.
din. With rice, masarap din. Tsaka yung kay Shena na spicy soba, masarap din. Yung sa akin na chukemen, hindi ko mawari yung lasa pero hindi ko talaga mawari yung lasa eh.
Come on, man.
Kakaibang lasa pero masarap yun. Naubos ko nga eh. Oh. Siguro i-rate ko yun. 8. Kung pumunta kayo dito sa Ramen Zundo, recommendable dito yung spicy soba tsaka yung original na katsu. Nagkamali kami ng order ng mango shake. Ang pagkakabasa kasi ni Shena, mango shake, mango sake pala yon. So may alcohol, hindi namin nainom. Ako nainom ko ng bahagya lang. Hindi sila nakainom. Ayan na, 6 na eh. Maliwanag pa. Ito yung paborito ni Gabi dito. Mixed ice cream. Can I have?
Taste mine.
No. Eat it.
Taste mine.
I will taste it.
Yummy than yours.
Yummy.
Mabilis mag-milk.
Hinahangin eh. Hey mama. Ina, mabilis mag-melt kasi windy. Oh. Get tissue, Gabi.
I have one. I got one.
What if we forget the hate? What if we start to live by fate? Only love every single day, or maybe just for once. Money ain't gonna save us now. There's so much more, so just look around. Break the walls inside, putting bridges down, and reach every single hand. 'Cause everything ain't right. Grow as we go,